Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a DIY natural deodorant. It comes together in no time, and best of all, it contains no baking soda. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin making this deodorant, I will be adding some arrowroot powder to my container. This helps to absorb any sweat, and it is great for those that have sensitive armpits. This next ingredient I'll be adding is zinc oxide. It is antibacterial, helps with any inflammation, and also helps to fight off any odor-causing bacteria. Now, it's important that you use non-nano zinc oxide because this will not clog the pores. To protect and nourish the underarm skin, I now will be adding some shea butter. Now I'll be adding some coconut oil. This is a natural ingredient and it helps to deodorize the armpits. Not only that, but it moisturizes the skin as well. Because I don't want any clumps in my finished product, I will be taking, or I am using rather, my giant spoon and just breaking down everything that is in clumps, making it nice and smooth so that that final consistency is nice and creamy in appearance. So now that I have gotten all the clumps out of my deodorant, I will be using this essential oil blend. It gives the finished product a nice, crisp, refreshing scent, which I absolutely love. You could use any scent that you have available to you. I now am going to go ahead and put my deodorant into my nice tin container here. This really works well for me and I like that it holds so much. Now this formula makes 8 ounces in total. I now want to show you what this looks like applied to the skin. I like that once applied, it does not have a greasy, nor does it leave that white residue behind. So here is the formula that I used today to create this deodorant. When it comes to the substitutions, unfortunately, there's very few that I would recommend. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.